How to get someone off of your best friend list on Snapchat, or how to remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can easily get someone off of your best friend list on Snapchat. Now if you open up Snapchat application and if you head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen here, you should get an interface like this, and if you scroll down below and head into my friends, you'll be able to see your best friends at the very top. Now unfortunately, if you tap and hold on it here, you won't get any option to remove them from best friend list. You can pin them and you can manage friendship. If you tap on manage friendship, you can block, report, remove friend and edit display name, but you won't be able to remove them from your best friend list. Now Snapchat doesn't give any feature to add someone to your best friend list or remove them from your best friend list. It automatically sets your friends to best friend list depending on your interaction, your chats, number of snaps you send and receive and open them. So depending on your interaction, it is added to your best friend list. So the way to remove them from your best friend list is to either unfriend them or is to block them. You can remove friend to them and you can add them back again, or if you don't want to do so because you will lose your snap streak, right, you can stop interacting less with them. You can interact lesser with them and only send a minimum of 1 snap per day to maintain your snap streak. So this way you can get someone off of your best friend list on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.